The UltraTank is a hybrid of a luxury car Bentley Continental GT and tank, which was built in 2019 by Konstantin Zarutsky, known as AcademeG. To build this monster, it was necessary to install a turbocharged 8-cylinder engine with a displacement of 4.3 liters in the Bentley. Through various settings, the engine power was brought up to 400 horsepower. Also had to make a completely new chassis. It took about 6 months to create the chassis. The Dana 60 continuous axle was used as the rear axle. The balancing bogies of the rollers were designed and manufactured independently. The shock absorbers were selected with the highest travel from the Audi line. The tracks were made to order. The result was a powerful and fast luxury tank, weighing just over 3 tons. Ground clearance was an impressive 590 millimeters. In this form, the Bentley UltraTank took part in the Baikal Mile 2020 festival, which took place on the shores of Lake Baikal, where it set a speed record of 125 km per hour over a distance of 1 mile. The next time the Bentley UltraTank team plans to break the world record, break the mark of 150 km per hour, by rocking the UltraTank engine to 600 horsepower.